Hey guys, so today I've got our 2014 Hyundai Sonata. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. No special tools are required, very easy to do, very minimum skill level needed. So the filter on this car is behind the glove box. So first we're going to open the glove box, empty it out. So there's two tabs right here, here and here. Turn it to the left, take it out. Same on this one, left, take it out. And then it's got a plunger right at this over here. Make sure do not pull the glove box down without taking this off. It just pops off and that's it. You need to remove this cover right over here. Pinch it down on both sides one by one. Actually just on this side, and it just comes outside. There's the old filter. Not the dirtiest I've seen, but still due for replacement. There's the replacement filter right over here. Here. Not that hard to line up usually. I'm just doing it with one hand. Alright, same thing over here. This clip. The clips that we pushed. Slides right there. And then press it and lock. Make sure it doesn't move. Then we're gonna push back, put the plunger back in there so it holds in one position. Lock it up. Same on this side. All right, all set. Put it back together. Make sure it opens and closes fine. Perfect. And make sure there's no grease marks. Most important part. Everything clean, it's all set, good to go. You can do it yourself very easily. You saw no special tools were needed. Very easy to do. Very easy to get parts from online or from any parts store. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.